Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download your booking confirmation from booking.com. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to your browser and type in booking.com. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in booking.com, you can sign up for a free account by using any of the following. You can use your Google account, Apple or Facebook, or if you want, you can use your personal or business email and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are successfully logged into your account, on the home screen of booking.com, I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. From here, I want you to click the bookings and trips, and what will happen is you will be forwarded here. Here, you'll see a list of all your reservations. Okay? Now, inside your booking page, you can scroll down and look for the view confirmation. But if you don't want that, since we already have the details in place, I have blurred out some confidential information. But this is going to be the opportunity for you to click the print confirmation. If you click that, what will happen is you just have to simply select the download as PDF, use your browser's print, save as PDF option to download it to your computer or your mobile device. Now, if you are having problems checking and downloading your booking confirmation here in booking.com, the last thing that you need to do is click the option that says can't find a booking, provide the confirmation number, PIN code, and of course, you have the ability to contact the customer support service. Just provide some details, explain your situation, and they will be able to assist you with your problem. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. You've successfully downloaded your booking confirmation from booking.com. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.